Starting a graphic design business in Kenya is one of the smartest ways to turn creativity into income. In today's digital world, businesses, churches, schools, and even individuals need visual content to communicate better. From logos and posters to social media posts and websites, design is everywhere. This means there is a steady demand, and if you position yourself well, you can build a strong and reliable source of income. The journey begins with understanding what graphic design really is. Graphic design is the art of creating visual content to communicate ideas. It involves combining images, text, and colors to produce something that is not only attractive but also meaningful. When a business needs a logo, they are not just looking for something beautiful. They want something that represents their brand, their values, and their message. As a designer, your role is to translate ideas into visuals. To start this business, you do not need a lot of money, but you do need skills. Skills are your foundation. Without them, it becomes difficult to compete or deliver quality work. The good news is that you can learn graphic design from home. There are many free and paid resources online. You can watch tutorials, take courses, and practice daily. The most important thing is consistency. If you practice every day, even for a few hours, you can become good within a few months. As you learn, you should focus on the most important tools used in the industry. These include software like Adobe Photoshop for editing images, Adobe Illustrator for creating logos and vector designs, and tools like Figma for designing websites and apps. You do not need to learn everything at once. Start with one tool, understand it well, then move to the next. Many successful designers in Kenya started with just one software and grew from there. Once you have basic skills, the next step is to get the right equipment. The most important tool is a laptop. It does not have to be very expensive, but it should be able to run design software smoothly. A good starting laptop can cost around 30,000 Kenya shillings to 80,000 Kenya shillings. If you already have a laptop, that is even better because it reduces your startup cost. You will also need a stable internet connection, which may cost around 2,000 to 5,000 Kenya shillings per month. After setting up your tools, you need to think about your business identity. Even though you are just starting, you should treat your work like a real business. Choose a business name that is simple and easy to remember. You can later register this name officially. In Kenya, business registration can be done online, and the cost is affordable. Having a registered business makes you look more professional and trustworthy. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting too long before starting. You do not need to be perfect to begin. Once you have basic skills, start working on small projects. You can design for friends, family, or even yourself. Create logos for imaginary companies, posters for events, or social media posts for brands that do not exist. These sample works will help you build a portfolio. A portfolio is a collection of your best work. It is what you show potential clients to prove your ability. Without a portfolio, it is very hard to get clients because people want to see what you can do. Your portfolio does not need to be large. Even 5 to 10 strong designs are enough to start. Focus on quality, not quantity. Make sure your designs are clean, professional, and well thought out. As you build your portfolio, you should also start thinking about your target market. Not all clients are the same. Some are small businesses with limited budgets, while others are large companies willing to pay more. You need to decide who you want to serve. For example, you can focus on small businesses, startups, or online brands. When you understand your target market, it becomes easier to create designs that meet their needs. Pricing is another important part of your business. Many beginners struggle with pricing because they fear losing clients. However, underpricing your work can harm your business in the long run. You need to value your time and effort. In Kenya, a simple logo can cost anywhere from 3,000 Kenya shillings to 50,000 Kenya shillings, depending on the complexity and the client. Social media posts may range from 500 Kenya shillings to 3,000 Kenya shillings per design. As a beginner, you can start on the lower end, but make sure you increase your prices as your skills improve. To attract clients, you need to market yourself. Marketing is what brings people to your business. One of the easiest ways to market your graphic design services is through social media. Platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok are very powerful. You can post your designs regularly, show behind-the-scenes processes, and share tips. This helps people see your work and trust your skills. Another effective method is networking. Talk to people, tell them what you do, attend events, join business groups, and connect with entrepreneurs. Many clients come through word of mouth. If one person likes your work, they will recommend you to others. This can help you grow faster than you expect. You can also use online freelance platforms to find clients. These platforms connect you with people from all over the world who are looking for design services. Even though competition can be high, they offer a great opportunity to gain experience and earn money. When starting, focus on building a good profile and getting positive reviews. As your business grows, you should consider choosing a niche. A niche is a specific area of focus. Instead of doing everything, you specialize in one area. For example, you can focus on logo design, social media graphics, or branding. Specialization helps you stand out and charge higher prices because clients see you as an expert. Consistency is very important in this business. There will be times when you have many clients and times when work is slow. Do not give up during slow periods. Use that time to improve your skills, update your portfolio, and market your services. Success does not come overnight. It takes time, patience, and effort. Customer service is another key factor. Always communicate clearly with your clients. Understand their needs, ask questions, and deliver on time. If you make a mistake, be honest and fix it. Happy clients are more likely to return and refer others to you. As you gain more experience, you can start scaling your business. Scaling means growing beyond just yourself. You can hire other designers to help you handle more work. You can also offer more services like branding packages, website design, or printing services. This allows you to increase your income and build a bigger business. Another way to grow is by creating your own products. For example, you can design templates and sell them online. You can also create courses or tutorials to teach others. These additional income streams can make your business more stable. However, there are challenges you should be aware of. One common challenge is dealing with difficult clients. Some clients may not know what they want or may keep changing their minds. To avoid problems, always have clear agreements before starting work. Define the scope, timeline, and payment terms. Another challenge is competition. There are many designers in Kenya, and new ones are joining every day. To stand out, focus on quality, creativity, and professionalism. Do not try to copy others. Develop your own style and approach. Time management is also important. As a designer, you may handle multiple projects at once. You need to plan your time well to avoid delays and stress. Use simple tools like calendars or task lists to stay organized. Despite the challenges, graphic design remains one of the most rewarding businesses you can start. It gives you the freedom to work from anywhere, choose your clients, and grow at your own pace. You can start small and build something big over time. In Kenya, the digital space is growing rapidly. More businesses are going online, and the need for design is increasing every day. This creates endless opportunities for designers who are ready to take action. The most important step is to start. Do not wait for the perfect moment. Use what you have, learn as you go, and improve every day. With dedication and consistency, you can build a successful graphic design business and create a stable income for yourself. Your journey may not be easy, but it will be worth it. Every design you create is a step forward. Every client you serve is a chance to grow. Keep pushing, keep learning, and keep creating. Success will follow.